And here we are at Unit 63. This is a very nice unit in the Biarritz Hotel. It's a dining area. Walking through to a very nice, well-equipped kitchen. Looking through from the kitchen. There's Ben, just hiding. It's his birthday today. There's Jane. Oh, there's me, but don't want me in it. And me again. Mirrors everywhere in this one. Just walking through. There's a kids' bathroom in there. Kids' bedroom. So all nice and tidy. Looking out onto the balcony there. Main bedroom. Nice comfortable bed. Into the main bathroom there. In the corner. Nice shower. Wardrobe. Just coming back out. This is a lounge, really comfy lounge, very nice. Again, a beachfront unit. Just go out. Very blowy today, not very fine. 15 floors up we are here. Looking back that way, and that was Unit 62 where we were. Hope you enjoy looking at Unit 63 of the Biarritz Hotel.